Hello, Dave here from Workbench. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get fine height adjustment when you're using the BT350 Pole, just like you get when you're using the tripod. So with the tripod you get this handle on the side and you can adjust the laser to exactly where you want it, and it's almost millimetre precision. So if we want it exactly on the screws for the socket, we can get it there, lock it off, and it's not going anywhere. If you're using the supplied brackets with the Pole, there's no way to get that sort of adjustment. I'll show you what I mean now. So the BT350 Pole comes with a pole clamp, which has got a quick release feature for quickly adjusting the size. So if we just attach that on there now, just spin it around so you can see, and then you get your laser bracket, which just fits into the two slots and locks into place there. Your laser just attaches to the pole like that, and then switch it on and you get your line. But there's no way of being able to get adjustment, really small adjustments. Well, you can, but you've got to slide it down, then you get a bit of movement here in the bracket. You get a bit of issues if you need to be more or less where the tightening mechanism is for the pole. It doesn't exactly clamp on there too well. So I was like, there must be some sort of bracket available where you can clip it to this and get the adjustment you need, basically. So first off, I thought I would try the RM10 that I got with my laser. Again, there is magnets on the back, but with the pole being aluminium, there's nowhere for it to clip to, and it absolutely doesn't clip onto this bracket any way, shape or form. So no good for this. So what I did find online, Bosch actually made a universal mount / holder called the Bosch Professional BM1. In this kit you get a mount which is similar to the RM10, and you also get a sealing clip. Just bring you in a bit closer and I'll show you what you get in the box. So inside we get the BM1 mount, and this can be used as a standalone mount, very much like the RM10. Can be placed down. It actually has two supporting feet that kick out like that. On the bottom it's got your 1/4 inch mount and then a slightly bigger one for a different kind of tripod. Them legs just fold in like that. On the back it's got 8 magnets, again for clipping to something metal, a wall or steel girder or something. And then on the side it's got a lock function, so when you use this dial on this side to adjust its height, you can lock it into place like that. Also in the box it comes with the sealing bracket, and this just slides on, and then that's basically for clipping onto a ledge or something, and it supports itself against the wall. But the bit we're interested in is this. So the pole clamp that you get with a BT350 has 2 little grooves, and down the left and right hand side of it there's 2 grooves, and they line up exactly with the two grooves here, so you can slide that on and it clicks into place. If we just spin that round a little bit, you can then see, using the dial on the right hand side, you get height adjustment just like you was on the tripod. Laser just attaches using the 1/4 inch thread on there. And then if we switch on the laser, we can adjust the pearl bracket to more or less where we need to be. And then using the dial, we can get them fine height adjustments exactly where we want to be. So I want to be on the screws at that socket, and then we get it there. Then if we lock it off in place, it means it's not going to go anywhere once it's on. So yeah, that's basically, if you want to use your BT350 Pole and you want some super fine height adjustment, you need to get yourself the Bosch Professional BM1 universal holder. Right, hopefully that video was useful. If you'd liked it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.